What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is Marquita Magic Fingers, and I am back on YouTube. I know I have been gone for a while, and I want to be honest about why. Over the past months, my mental health was not in a good place. I was on medication that made me feel like a zombie some days, and it was hard to keep up with life, work, and even the things I love. Can you picture that? My family and friends were very, very concerned, and I realized I needed to make changes for my health. I'm still not 100%, but I wanted to come back and share where I'm at, what I've learned, and hopefully inspire someone else who may be struggling. During that time, some days I couldn't even bring myself to do makeup or create content, and that was frustrating because it's part of who I am. There were moments I felt like I lost my spark, but I also learned that it's okay to rest. It's okay to feel low, and it's okay to take care of yourself first. Being honest with yourself and the people around you made a difference. My family and friends really reminded me that my health matters, and I started to see that self-care isn't selfish, it's necessary. Once I got off of that medication, I was slow getting back to myself. Some days are still hard, but I'm learning to move at my own pace. Doing the things I love, painting nails, doing makeup, creating content, has been part of my healing. I realized that even small steps count. For example, just sitting down to do a simple makeup look, or organizing my nail station for a few minutes helps me feel more like me again. I've also learned so much about faith through this session. Trusting God, even when life feels heavy, has helped me to keep moving forward. I've discovered that my struggles don't define me, but they teach me resilience. I hope that sharing this can encourage someone else who's been going through a hard season. Even when you feel stuck, you can still come back, step by step and day by day. I've missed this. Miss sharing beauty, nails, hair, and my real life with you. I know some of you might relate to feeling drained, burnt out, or like you can't keep up. And I want you to know that that's okay. You can take your time, heal, and still return to the things that make you happy. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm coming back step by step, one step at a time. I'm so excited to share what's coming next, tutorials, vlogs, my hair and nail creations, and even little moments of faith and encouragement. I may not be perfect or fully back to 100%, but I'm moving forward. And I want to bring you along with me. Life has been messy, and that's okay. It's part of the journey. Thank you so much for watching and for being patient with me. Your support means more than I can say. This is me coming back real, honest, and excited for what's ahead. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.